what's up, Dani here, and welcome to my channel and another video. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing again. I haven't been doing one of those for like 2 years. Well, except of the scroller box, but I haven't done a geeky one in a long time. I don't usually get these boxes because they're too expensive, but I wanted to try one again and I like the theme that was going on, so I've got myself a one-off LootCrate. It's the only one I'm getting. So yeah, let us look at this little box. I think this is from last month, but I'm not even sure. It took like a long time to even arrive at my place, and I got it before I went to England, so I don't even know which one it is. But let's see what we got. So this is what the box looks on the inside. I have no idea what to expect, to be honest. I have no clue. So I'll look at the t-shirt last. So we've got a pin. Then we've got something from Sonic. I used to play this on the Sega. That's been a long time ago. Very long time ago. I never owned the Sega, but my cousin did, so I usually played at his place. So it's a collectible figure. I like this. I have no space on my shelf for any figure whatsoever, but I will eventually be able to display all this stuff. Also, it's a LootCrate exclusive, as it says here. So yes. Then we got a Dungeons and Dragons figure, I guess. I don't play Dungeons and Dragons, but it's a dragon, so I think for that alone, I would maybe keep it. It's got a dice in it. I could have given this to my friend. He loves dices. Wow, look at that dragon. I have no idea what Dungeons and Dragons is. I mean, I know what it is, but I don't know how to play it or anything. So, yeah, you got this red dragon and the dice. So, I'll see what I do with that. Maybe I keep it for the dragon. Then we got that. It looks very Simpsons. I remember the 25 years. Oh, we used to sell those. It's a kid robot. It's a keychain. It's one of these keychains. Either these or these. So let's see what I got. been watching Simpsons for so long. Simpsons is older than me by a few years, I think. Maybe it's not. I'm not sure if it's an 86 or an 84. I don't know, but it's old. So it's as old as me. Oh, I got the donut. That is cool. I actually like that. I got a donut keychain. I love keychains, so I won't be hanging that on my backpack, but I will have a wall up at some point with keychains someday. But yeah, I like that. I like the donut. That's great. Simpsons. Right, and the last thing is the t-shirt. I can already guess what it is because I know one of the reasons I got this box. Because the theme said Back to the Future. So the t-shirt is a Back to the Future, and it's the DeLorean and its technical things. Can't even display it on that little screen of my phone. As you can see, it's all the technical parts that are in the DeLorean. It's awesome. I love this shirt. Yay, Back to the Future t-shirt. That alone is worth it. This box. So yes, I got that t-shirt. I've got the donut from the Kid Robot mystery box from The Simpsons. I've got the dragon from one of the dragons of Dungeons and Dragons. I got this pin, and I've got this Sonic figure. And here is the card. Oh, it's March, as you can see. So it's an exclusive Back to the Future t-shirt, an exclusive Sonic and Rings adult collectible, a Dungeons and Dragons die holder. Oh, it's a die holder. Now that's interesting. It's a mystery box and the pin. So yes, yeah, it was playback. It's all stuff from back in the day, so that's what made me want to buy this. So yes, that is the box, and that is it for this video already. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you soon in another one. Bye!